Hello friends, today we are going to talk about the Heron's formula. What is Heron's formula? First of all, we have to understand this concept. Heron is one mathematician, and when we have to use this formula, we have to understand this. Okay, so what is Heron? If we have to talk about the Heron's formula, then I will write here the Heron's formula. S root S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Okay, this is the Heron's formula. Okay, so now we have to talk about it in a detailed manner. Okay, we have to talk about it in a detailed manner when we have to use this Heron's formula and how to use it. Actually, this is for a triangle's measurement. Okay, if you want to draw a area of a triangle, then you have to use a Heron's formula. Maybe you are thinking that there is another formula to find the area of a triangle, that is 1 by 2 into base into height. Okay, even this is the formula to find out the area of triangle. Okay, area of triangle. But this formula cannot be used for the any triangle. For example, this type of formula can be used to draw the only right angle triangles area. Okay, suppose this is a right angle triangle, and in such a figures for only right angle triangle, you can use this type of formula and you can draw the area of the triangle. Okay, this formula can be used only for the right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. So whenever we come across such types of triangle, for example equilateral triangle, for example that may be any triangle, we have to use this formula for such a triangles. Okay, so I will take one example. Suppose we have this triangle, and this is A, this is B, this is C. Okay, this is all about the triangle. Suppose A is equal to 7, B is equal to 8, and C is equal to 5. Okay, this is all about the side of the measure of the side of this triangle. And suppose this is in a centimeter. Okay, this is in a centimeter. Now you have to find the area of this particular triangle with the help of Heron's formula. Okay, so let's use it. And while using the Heron's formula, even you have to understand that what is S and how to find the value of S. S is nothing but the perimeter divided by 2. What is the perimeter of this triangle? 7 plus 8 plus 5. So I will write over here 7 plus 8 plus 5 divided by 2. It means that I will write over here 20 divided by 2 means I will get a 10 centimeter. Okay, so my answer will be a 10 centimeter. So right now I'm using, or I'm putting all values in this Heron's formula. For example, S is equal to 10. So I write here 10. 10 minus, what is the value of A? 7. 10 minus, what is the value of B? Value of B is 8. So I minus it. And 10 minus, what is the value of C? 5. So This is how I put the values in the Heron's formula, and then after I will just write here like this. 10 minus 7, it will be a 3. Okay. 10 minus 8, it will be a 2. And for 10 minus 5, it will be a 5. Okay. So then after we have to write here 10 threes are 30 into 2 into 5. So next 2 threes are 6, 60 into 5, and 6 5s are 30. So this will be our answer. And if you find the root of 300, then it will be 300 is not perfect square, so you have to write the values like as it is 300. Thank you so much.